guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing a shop with me, and it's going to be at one of my favorite stores, which is Ikea. It's summertime and I know that there's going to be a ton of new summer products out, but that's not the only reason I'm here. I'm going to be redoing my sister's play area. The toys just overflow and there's just so much clutter. So I'm here to see if I can find any cool storage solutions, and I know Ikea has tons of them, so I want to check out and see what storage solutions they have. Yeah, we're just gonna walk through and we're gonna shop. I drove 2 hours to get here and I really have to use the bathroom, so let's go in. Let's not waste any time. Let's see what Ikea has. This kid-friendly lamp was sitting right when I walked in. I love it because it's plastic, so it's great for a kid's room. I also really love all the kitchen styling that they have at Ikea. There's so many great inspiration ideas, and they have amazing products for small spaces and storage solutions. I also hit the jackpot finding this as soon as I walked in the door. It was displayed right in front of the store and it was exactly what I was looking for. So guys, as soon as I came in, I found this really nice storage solution. I think it's just the right size to create like an entertainment center type vibe right next to the TV room. So this piece right here is $65, and then they have a shorter piece right here for oh, that must not be 18. I gotta figure out how much this is, but I think it has a pretty good depth for their toys, so I think I'm gonna mark these and then come back for them because they might be a good option for storage. I like these. $40. So that's a good price right there. I also found this storage unit. I don't know which one I like better. I think I might like the other one better, but this one is a little more expensive. This one is $229. But I don't know. I like this open storage here on this side, but it just doesn't seem. I think I like the other one better, but it's an option. I fell in love with all of the new mid-century lighting options. I noticed that the prices are getting a little bit more expensive, but I also noticed that the quality of all the furniture is a little higher than it used to be. Guys, this is an actual fridge. It looks like cabinets, but it's a fridge. This is like my dream refrigerator. I thought it was so cool. I didn't know that they sold things like this, and it's at a pretty reasonable price. I'm looking for a rug for my apartment at the moment, and they have so many rug options, so I was in this section for a really long time. But I was especially stuck in this section when I found this really cool handcrafted Moroccan rug. I love this little section off to the side of Ikea with these more expensive rugs. They're handcrafted and they have some really good options, but I'm really loving this cream striped one. I think it'll go really good in my living room, and it's very unique. So I just finished shopping and I'm super sweaty. It's so hot outside, but I found so many awesome things. Look in the back. My trunk is full of wonderful storage solutions. I hope you enjoyed the video. They had a lot of really cool items. I love all the retro items that they're implementing, and I saw a lot of really nice things. So I'll definitely be back soon, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I found so many great storage solutions, and if you want to see the room transformation, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications and tune in next weekend. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party. No,